Hey guys, it's your favorite girl, Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am showcasing a quick weave pixie mushroom cut. I showed you guys on my channel many a times of how to do a quick weave. So if it's your first time here, make sure you check out my channel and go back and watch some of my videos of the how-tos and the tutorials that I have. But right now I'm just cutting this down with my shears, and to accomplish this quick weave I use Salon Pro glue. So my technique, guys, is basically just cutting it down with my shears and then going in with my razor. I don't just cut with my razor. I go in and clean up with the razor. I also cut with the razor, but for the most part, I use my shears because that's what I learned with in school. And to accomplish this look, guys, you have to make sure that your braids under the cap is really flat. Make sure you braid the braids small because I've seen some really chunky braids, and I know everyone has their own technique, but the chunkier the braid, the more hair you have to use, and the style doesn't last as long. It swells off, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So the smaller the braid and the tighter, the longer and the more neater your style will look. And guys, I have tried the technique of gluing down the stocking cap and holding it in place before I start my first track. I do not like it. So I just put the stocking cap on, hold it in place with a little bit of holding spray, got to be whatever, put a little glue around the edges and hold it down. And then at the end of it, I'll cut off the ends of the cap. Why? I really can't explain to you guys why is it better for me that way, but I noticed that when you glue on the cap and then cut it off, it kind of has like a pulling to the hair. It pulls. So I could imagine what happens under the cap. Yeah, for me, I don't cut around the edges and glue that down. I just put the cap on, glue the hair, and then cut off the elastic at the end. So that's why sometimes you might see me cut a couple of strings, but that technique for me, it holds the hair in place better for a longer while. So guys, it's not to say that I don't try other techniques and new techniques and just be bullheaded and stick to what I've learned. I try other things, but they hardly ever work out. So I have to go back to what I know. And there's been a little controversy in the comments not too long ago about me cutting wet and how it wasn't the right way. But that's how I learned in school, that I paid my money for and that I went to. And I think they taught me very properly. I don't always cut wet. I wet the hair, and then as I'm cutting, it dries. But to me, I can see the style that way. Everybody sees stuff differently. There are visual learners. There are learners that you have to really that are listeners. So no way is really wrong. It's just whatever technique you learned and whatever you added to your technique as you went along. So yeah, it's no right or wrong way, but to me, wetting the hair is just better for me. And I'm not going to say that, of course, I cut like I learned in school. No, along the years, I've picked up different techniques and added it to what I've learned. So it's no right or wrong way. It's no right or wrong way. It's like if you're like a true stylist and you're really born to do this, you're not going to ever use one technique. A true stylist, a true artist always have at least 10 different, 20 different, 30, 40 different ideas that they unknowingly sometimes put together, and it became one. It became theirs. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and on this channel, I do unboxings, how-tos, tutorials, reviews, anything that has to do with hair or beauty, education, cosmetology. You're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button, and we'll love on you over here. And I would love to send a shout out to my cutting class teacher, Guy. I don't know where he's at right now, but mwah, love you, Guy. He came through with that Vidal Sassoon ponytail. You know, he was the best cutting teacher. He made it fun and very interesting to learn. Love you, Guy. And remember, guys, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to handle it for you. Now, by the time I'm finished with this style, you will be able to see that she'll be able to wear it in a mushroom cut, or she'll be able to curl it up. We'll curl it up into a pixie style. So she's gonna basically get two styles out of one with this one cut. Three or four even, because this style could always, be worn as a wet look. So she can get many styles. Once you have a great cut, you can just style anyhow, really. I would say that I'm a stylist that focuses on the aftercare when you get home, how you can be able to manage it by yourself. I love styling and everything, but cutting and making sure that model is able to maintain her style when she gets home, not just styling it a specific way. And if she goes home, sleeps for a night or two, she's confused as how, like, oh my God, what should I do with my hair? No, my focus for my models is for when they get home, don't matter how they move their hair, sleep on it, anything. Their quick weave, their weave, whatever, it's going to move like it's their own. So as you guys can see right here, it is a mushroom cut. You can wear it just like this, flat ironed, and or you can wet it and put a little product. But what we're gonna do to this, we're gonna curl it into a pixie, and eventually she'll be able to do whatever she wants with it at home. So guys, I hope you've liked the video so far. Make sure you're subscribed. Please leave a comment and leave a like or a heart on this video. It would get me out there in the algorithms, guys. And I'll be explaining more in depth about what I'm doing in the video. Some subscribers want me to do that. So guys, bear with me. I'm getting better. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!